Hi, this is me, Amir. In this video, I brought a 20 MCQs about basic electrical, and I hope you will be enjoy this video. It will also improve your knowledge. So if you like my video, please thumbs up me, and if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel. Thanks. Let's start with me.
What is the SI unit of electrical resistance? A. Volts. B. Ampere. C. Ohm. D. Watt. Answer is C. Ohm. In a DC circuit, what does the acronym DC stand for? A. Direct current. B. Dynamic circuit. C. Dual circuit. D. Digital current. Answer A. Direct current. What does AC stand for in AC power? A. Alternating current. B. Advanced circuit. C. Amperage control. D. Absolute current. Answer is A. Alternating current. Which component stores electrical charge in a circuit? A. Resistor. B. Capacitor. C. Inductor. D. Diode. Answer is B. Capacitor. What is the formula for calculating electrical power, P, in a DC circuit? A. P equals VI. B. P equals I slash R. C. P equals V caret 2 slash R. D. P equals I asterisk R. Answer is C. P equals V caret 2 slash R. What is the function of a diode in an electrical circuit? A. Amplify signals. B. Control current flow. C. Store electrical charge. D. Allow current flow in one direction. Answer is D. Allow current flow in one direction. What does the term resistance refer to in an electrical circuit? A. Ability to conduct electricity. B. Storage of electrical energy. C. Opposition to current flow. D. Voltage difference. Answer is C. Opposition to current flow. Which of the following is a unit of electrical capacitance? A. Ohm. B. Farad. C. Henry. D. Volt. Answer B. Farad. What does the acronym LED stand for in electronics? A. Light emitting diode. B. Low energy device. C. Linear electric driver. D. Long wave electronic detector. Answer is A. Light emitting diode. In a parallel circuit, how are the voltage across each resistor compared? A. They are equal. B. They add up. C. They subtract. D. They are inversely proportional. Answer is A. They are equal. What is the unit of electrical current? A. Ohm. B. Volt. C. Ampere. D. Watt. Answer is C. Ampere. What is the purpose of a transformer in an electrical system? A. Store electrical energy. B. Control current flow. C. Change voltage levels. D. Convert AC to DC. Answer is C. Change voltage levels. What is the primary function of a fuse in an electrical circuit? A. Regulate voltage. B. Control current flow. C. Store electrical energy. D. Provide insulation. Answer is B. Control current flow. Which material is commonly used as a semiconductor in electronic devices? A. Copper. B. Aluminum. C. Silicon. D. Gold. Answer is C. Silicon. What is the relationship between voltage? current, and resistance in Ohm's law? A. V equals IR. B. I equals VR. C. R equals VI. D. V equals I slash R. Answer is D. V equals I slash R. Which type of circuit has only one path for current to flow? A. Series circuit. B. Parallel circuit. C. Complex circuit. D. Combination circuit. Answer is A. Series circuit. What does a ground wire do in an electrical system? A. Carries current to the load. B. Provides insulation. C. Safely directs excess current to the earth. D. Stores electrical charge. Answer is C. Safely directs excess current to the earth. What is the purpose of an inductor in an electrical circuit? A. Store electrical charge. B. Control current flow. C. Change voltage levels. D. Resist the change in current. Answer is D. Resist the change in current. Which of the following is a passive electronic component? A. Transistor. B. Resistor. C. Diode. D. Integrated circuit. Answer is B. Resistor. What is the function of a circuit breaker in an electrical system? A. Control current flow. B. Store electrical energy. C. Change voltage levels. D. Interrupt the circuit in case of excess current. Answer is D. Interrupt the circuit in case of excess current.